Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Braylon here, and today I'm showing you guys how to zoom in Episode Interactive. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below and click the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so. Let's get started. So there's two ways to do zooms. One is you can choose the zoom that you want, or you can zoom a specific character. So first I'm going to show you guys how to zoom on a specific character. All you have to write at zoom on the name of your character. So my character's name is Jennifer. So zoom on Jennifer to 200% in 0, and that's basically it. There's not much to it. You just have to write that and you're good to go. So I'm giving a tiny little scene and I'll be right back. So guys, in order to make the zoom go back to normal, all you have to write is at zoom reset, and you're good to go. Okay guys, so I'm all done with this scene, so let's go ahead and click the link side, and then I'll be showing you guys how to choose the zoom that you want. So that's basically it. So now in order to choose the zoom that you want, you're going to click on Directing Helper, then Zoom Helper, and then you can choose what you want. So you can switch the tool from zoom into focus. You can reset the zoom, make it go back to normal like this. And in order to zoom it, you scroll. No, in order to focus, you scroll to the right to make it be smaller. Scroll to the left to make it go smaller, and right to make it bigger. So I'm going to move it to about this size, and I'm going to move it to where Jennifer is, and I'm going to zoom up closer and then go downwards. But right here is perfect. So now after done that, you want to come down here and just copy this whole thing. And instead of having to be at zoom on Jennifer 200% in 0, you just paste that, and you're done. So you can do the same thing with your other character if you have one. Go ahead and copy the same exact thing and move it to right here. And now you're all done. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.